Hi everybody, Josiah here, also known as Chilling Silence, and we've got some great news because DigiExplorer is back. So, what does that mean? It means, well, the DigiByte Go wallet should be up and running and happy again. It means that a lot of the other services and the likes that rely on this kind of thing are back up and functioning. Now, what we do recommend is that users and individuals go and run their own instance of it. So you can do this by going to dgbwiki.com and scrolling down until you find running your own insight server. Now, the reason for that is that this is basically an insight server, and down here we've got the... it's kind of hidden because I'm zoomed out. That's okay. But anyway, some more good news. DigiByte has now been listed on Pionex.com, so this is really quite cool. Nice website here. They've got a bunch of built-in additional tools and things, and it's off to a great start. You can see there with the price. What can you do, right? It's been one of those days apparently on CoinMarketCap, so that's life. But a big thank you to Pionex for listing DigiByte. This is great to see. More ways, again, for people to be able to use, trade, spin, hold it on the exchange. Yeah, maybe don't hold it on an exchange, any exchange. This isn't just picking on them, but you know what I mean. Great to see more options for people to be able to buy and sell DigiByte. So specifically, they've started off with a BTC pairing, so that's really awesome. Really appreciate that. Thanks to the Pionex team for adding DigiByte. Now, one more thing, we've got DigiByte and Friends is coming up. It says here it's going to begin shortly. Really excited for this. Had a great time talking with Geoff Simmons. He is previously an economist. He's now the leader of the Opportunities Party here in New Zealand. He's got some really great insights around a whole lot of things, specifically around poverty, housing prices, store of wealth comes up even. So really excited. Again, if you go to DigiByteandFriends.com, you'll be brought here to the playlist. So if you want to check out some of the older episodes as well, you can do that too. Anyway, going to keep it nice and brief for today. About to get started on this. We'll join the live chat. If you do enjoy this, please consider leaving a like, subscribe, hit the comment button below. You can reach me on Twitter. I'm at DGB_chilling. Otherwise, I'll talk to you in the next video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.